Today we're going to talk about photosynthesis. As you can see here, I have my diagram. This is the thylakoid membrane right here. These are the photosystems, photosystem 2, photosystem 1. They're they're named for their order of discovery and not necessarily the sequence in which they occur in photosynthesis. So these are the light reactions. First thing is you have light energy that comes in the form of photons. And this energy excites these chlorophyll molecules, and they transfer their energy from one to another. And they'll transfer this until they reach a special molecule called P680. And P680 gets excited with that electron that it was obtained from the photons, and it gives this electron to an electron acceptor, which makes P680 stable. And then it takes in a stable electron from water, which gives off oxygen as well as hydrogen ions. And then this excited electron continues through into the cytochrome complex, which goes along the electron transport chain. And it continues through a series of proteins, and this complex will generate ATP, which will be used later for the Calvin cycle. Also, what takes place in the cytochrome complex is hydrogen ions are pumped to create a hydrogen concentration gradient in the thylakoid space. So these excited electrons continue on, and they've lost a lot of energy by now, and now they're in the photosystem 1. And so more light energy comes in and re-excites the chlorophyll molecules here that have accepted the electrons. And again, the energy is transferred through these chlorophyll molecules. And once again, it goes to another special molecule, and this is called P700. P700 does the same thing that the P680 did. It's going to give up its excited electron to an electron acceptor and accept a stable electron. NADP plus is going to take up these electrons, 2 of them actually, as well as a hydrogen ion, to become NADPH, which is also a product that you need for the Calvin cycle. So you have NADPH as well as ATP produced in the light reactions that are both going to be used for the Calvin cycle. So next, go through the Calvin cycle. Okay, so your first input into the Calvin cycle is 3 CO2 molecules, which will give you, oops, that's not what I wanted. 3 CO2 molecules, which by way of carbon fixation, you get rubisco. And then through another series of reactions, which are reduction reactions, as well as regeneration of CO2 acceptors, this cycle will repeat itself twice, and you'll end up with a product of glucose, which is a 6-carbon sugar. And that is the process of photosynthesis.